I've always been inspired by the authentic flavors of Mexican cuisine, and in this video, we'll be making two delicious sauces. The red sauce, salsa roja, and the green sauce, also known as green salsa, which is a cooked tomatillo salsa verde. For the green sauce, 3 tomatillos, some green onion, I'm using the green parts, chilies, jalapenos, some chopped cilantro, and some onions, and a little garlic for flavor. There's actually no one way that this is to be made. People have their various flavors and ingredients that they may add to it, but the base is usually the same. We will start by getting some nice grill marks or charring, blackening the ingredients slightly to maximize on their flavor. So for the green salsa, we have the jalapeno, the chili, and the tomatillos, getting those nice grill marks on them. So now we prepare the ingredients for the red sauce, and we put some water into a saucepan on medium heat, and we're going to place the tomatoes and the rest of the ingredients that we grill marked or charred for this red sauce. Let the flavors blend and let the tomatoes soften. And here we have the charred ingredients for the green salsa. Okay, once the 4 to 5 minutes is up, transfer the ingredients into a blender. You can use a mortar and pestle if you don't have a blender. It will just take a little longer. And give that a good mix. And now we'll saute those onions we had for the red sauce. Once you have a little color, we add in the chopped cilantro. Now add the red salsa to this. Give it a mix and let it thicken slightly. This will take about 3 to 4 minutes depending on the level of heat on your stove. You will need to season it with salt and pepper. You can add more chili to this, even a little bit of lime, depends on your taste. The next step is optional. I will add about a teaspoon of adobo sauce to this. Now, the chipotle in adobo sauce can be found in your supermarket in the Mexican aisle of products. This adds to the color and the flavor of the red salsa. Do the same thing for the green sauce, but just add 1 cup of water to help blend the ingredients together. Add it to a saucepan, then add the cilantro, give it a mix, and let it reduce slightly. Then taste for seasoning. Add some salt pepper, and adjust accordingly. And just like that, you have two delicious salsas. Salsa roja and salsa verde. Delicious with your tacos, quesadillas, heuvos, rancheros, burritos, and enchiladas. So my friends, add some on. Take a bite. Ay, 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 you're gonna love it. Likes and subscribes go a long way. It certainly helps the channel and helps me to bring more videos like this. Thanks for watching Majid's Kitchen.